My name is Carolyn Burjoski. In my last video, I announced the conclusion of my defamation lawsuit against the Waterloo Region District School Board and former chair Scott Piatkowski. My lawsuit against the WRDSB resulted in 2 court victories at both the Divisional Court and the Ontario Court of Appeal before being resolved through a mediated settlement. The decisions of these judges included important statements about the free expression rights of Canadians and the responsibilities of government actors to tell the truth. Today, I reveal the financial story behind my legal battle. When I was defamed 4 years ago and found myself in need of justice, my lawyer estimated that the cost of a lawsuit against the school board would be at least $100,000 and more if the board attempted an anti-SLAPP maneuver. I asked, how long will this take? And he told me to prepare for a 2-year battle. I was shocked by the time and money required. It's a very good thing that I didn't know that both the money and the years required would actually double. Yet, miraculously, you, my supporters, always provided enough money for each stage of the legal actions. And now, here are the numbers. The total cost of my legal fees was $248,814. Of that, the court ordered WRDSB to pay $37,500, which reduced my net legal fees to $211,314. On the funding side, GoFundMe contributions after fees totaled $141,139. And donations received outside of GoFundMe came to $77,457 for a grand total of $218,597 raised. After all my legal fees were paid, the surplus is $7,283. I promised that if there was a surplus, it would be donated to a charity that supports the charter rights of Canadians. It was an easy choice. The Justice Centre for Constitutional Freedoms is the recipient of the legal fund surplus, and I am adding a personal donation to bring the total up to $10,000. Why did I choose the Justice Centre for Constitutional Freedoms? Because JCCF funds lawyers for cases where Canadians' constitutional rights have been violated. This incredible organization understands the financial burden that ordinary Canadians face when seeking justice, and they have a practical plan to help if this happens to you. To learn more about the work that they do, I encourage you to visit their website and view the stories of ordinary Canadians seeking justice. It's hard to believe that my legal journey has finally come to an end. With all of my heart, thank you for your financial support and messages of encouragement throughout my 4-year marathon. I simply could not have fought back without you. I know what motivated you. You want teachers and parents to be heard because you love your children and grandchildren, and you want them to be properly educated. You want them to graduate into adulthood with a healthy body and a resilient, educated mind. Let's all continue our fight for an educational system characterized by the pursuit of truth, respect for families, and the well-being of Canada's children. Thank you.